Hey guys, Jer here. Now, if you've been looking for a different niche on Amazon KDP, I think you'll find this interesting because Ike just released his brand new product called Kuro Nazo, which is an AI tool that is going to help you find the killer mystery puzzle books, which is really popular right now on Amazon KDP. So if you take a look at this example right here, so this is a good example of a find a killer Amazon or find a killer mystery puzzle book listing on Amazon. So this was published only on the 22nd of February this year, 2026. And as of recording this video, this one gathered 715 star rating reviews, right? This one comes with 211 pages, 46,000 names of suspects. Now, if you take a look at this, it's actually looks simple to make. You can actually create this kind of puzzle books using Canva and AI, but it would still take you hours to create the entire book. You can go to Canva. So this one is 6 and 9 inches. You can go to Canva and set up here 6-9 inches and create your design, and then you can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to list you 46,000, because this one has like 46,000 names of suspects. So you can ask ChatGPT to list you 46,000 or 40,000 names of suspect. But as you can see, ChatGPT did not actually give me 46,000 names of lists, which is pretty much frustrating because I would still need to manually copy and paste this into Canva, and then I have to add it in a text box, and then I have to paste their names right here one by one. And if you take a look at this one has like 46,000 names of suspects. So it would take me hours. It would take me a lot of time just to create this puzzle books. But like I said, I just released this brand new product called the Kuro Nazo, which is an AI tool that is going to help you create or automate the entire process of creating find a killer mystery puzzle books on Amazon KDP. So once you log into the app, you simply click on this launch app button. Basically, once you're inside the editor, you simply need to select a trim sizes right here. So if you take a look at this listing example right here, so this one is 6 and 9. So you can simply select your 6 and 9, but you can select, KDP trim sizes. We have 5x8 or 5 and 25x8, or you can just select the 6 and 9. So I'm going to select 6 and 9 right here. And then you can simply head over to the bottom part section right here, and you simply need to set here how many suspects you want to set. So for example, this one is 46,600. You can set this here 46,600, and then you scroll down right here, and then you simply need to add in the book title and then the author, right? So for this example, I'm just gonna copy this one here, add in your book title and then the author. Okay, so you simply need to type in your name as the author right here. And then now you have three options right here. We have the generate puzzle button. We also have the AI storyline, which is, I think this is part of the Absol. And we have the one-click Kuro Nazo book plus cover. So when you use the generate puzzle, when you choose this one, it automatically generates you the puzzle. This is a regular puzzle. So as you can see, it automatically generated without you needing to copy and paste manually the 46,000 names from ChatGPT or from any AI tool that you want to use. But this one automatically generated you the entire book. And now you can export this one using, PDF or whatever you want right here. You can also export this, a SVG or PowerPoint or PNG. But if you use this one-click Kuro Nazo book plus cover, when you use this one, you simply need to select a style right here for your interior. So for example, I'm gonna select a case file with images because I really like my interior with images. And then the cover style, you can select photo scene or forensic pattern. So I'm just gonna select photo scene, and then I'm gonna put my name right here, and then you can click on build book plus cover. So when you do that, it will automatically generate you the book cover. It comes with the front cover. It also generate you the back cover. It also generate you the print wrap, the A+ content kit. It also comes with this book map up right here, and then the instruction, and then the benefits, and then the inside the book preview. So basically everything is done for you. All you have to do, guys, is to simply need to download the front cover. So when you do that, it will automatically download the front cover into your computer. It will download the back cover into your computer. Now the beauty is that if you don't like this front cover, you click on regenerate front, and it will regenerate you the front cover design. Really cool, right? Now, it also gives you, now the best part, guys, is that, it also gives you the KDP listing details. Like for example, the title, right? The subtitle, the author, the description, and then the keywords. So when you list this on Amazon KDP, all you have to do is to just copy and paste this listing details in your, Amazon KDP listings. Really cool, right? Now, if you take a look at the pages has been updated with the styling that we chose earlier. It now comes with the images. It now comes with the incident report. It comes with this page right here. It comes with the scene of the crime. It comes with these images, and the layout of the suspect names has been updated as well with our styling, right? So as you can see, all of the pages has been updated automatically without you needing to manually go to Canva and align things yourself. But essentially, you can pretty much edit anything right here. You can go to this setting funnel right here, and you can set the typography. You can set the font family right here. You can select whatever you want. You can add in a custom font if you want to. You can update the label. You can change the font color, the page number. You can, choose a difficulty right here. It could be easy, medium, hard, insane, or nightmare. All right. And then once you're happy with all of those changes, you can simply click on export. And then you can use a single PDF, or you can use a PNG, SVG, whatever you want. I'm just going to select a single PDF, and it automatically exporting right now. Now, if you choose to pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, I have some amazing bonuses prepared for you guys to help you with your, KDP publishing business. So my bonus number 1 is the story architect. So this is going to help you write your book's intro, backstory, and suspect bios and flavor text. My second bonus for you guys is the Clue Master bot. So this is going to help you. You can use this to add extra logic clues for the suspects, or for the suspect. And then my third bonus for you guys is the detective assistant. So this is going to help you check or quality check your puzzle books before publishing it. You simply need to upload your book into this bot, and this bot will automatically check whether your book needs some fixing or, ready to publish on Amazon KDP. And then you're also going to get access to my listing, to my KDP listing expert. This is going to help you write your Amazon sales copy and SEO keywords. And then You'll also going to get access to my suspect name mega generator, which will let you generate unique names for your Kuro Nazo puzzle book. You can select here a theme, for example, Japanese or cyberpunk, sci-fi, or just classic whodunit, and then how many names you want to generate. So for example, you want to generate 50,000 names, you select a format. It could be first name only or full name. So click on generate, and it will give you this preview right here. So this is the last 50 names preview. When you click on download, it will automatically download the names using a CSV or TXT file. And when you open up Kuro Nazo, you click here, choose a file, and then export that 50,000 names right here, right? You can also, if you want to use Canva as well, you can also import the names on Canva. All right guys, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below, and talk to you in the next one.